Alright, so this is how I fixed my sump pump from constantly staying on. The way this thing's designed, see that? Before it would hit the ledge of this, it would never shut off. But also, here's how it triggers. Hear that? That's the trigger. So this spring prevents it from actually getting stuck on that. And it adds enough weight to pull it out. See, it doesn't fall out on its own. See, this is its own gravity, but the spring adds enough extra weight to pull it out so it shuts off this way. See that click? That's shutting off, that's turning on. So it'll only turn on when it goes up to here. And the spring's light enough that it won't, like this buoyancy will offset it. So I don't know why they made it so that there was no clearance like that. I think that's on purpose. That's engineered obsolescence in design. This arm, I can't adjust it either. It can't go further out. It has to be this distance. As far as I can tell, there's no other settings on this particular sump pump. But by putting a little bit of spacer here and adding a little bit of weight, it will ensure that it will shut off. Like this, even the lightest of force here shuts it off. Like that's guaranteed to shut off. The only thing that's a little bit more resistant to turn on, but that's exactly what I want. I don't want it on and off trigger all the time. So this is useful. Let me know. All right, that's that.